I'm doing the Unconventional Blind Man Spirit Box session. The only difference is I'm not using a Spirit Box. I am using a Sound Ambient machine from Sound Oasis. Instead of using a blindfold or a bandana, I'm using a sleep mask from Sound Oasis. And what I got here are these LED touch. So if anything were to be in the room and touch it, it'll change colors while the sound is going off. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing for today. Enjoy the video, sit back and enjoy the video, and let's get this thing on the road. Take number 2. The app timed out on the tablet, so I gotta do it again. So put on the mask, sleep mask, and good to go. Let's do this. Alright, it's a show on the road. So I have this device right here. It's a sound machine. You can communicate with it. You know, you can adjust the sounds to make to speech if you like. And if you want, you can play with it. Try to disarray the sound or adjust it if you like it. And I also have these 2 hexi lights right here. All you gotta do is lightly touch on those 2 hexi lights, letting me know that you are here with me right now. That way I know that I can validate that you're in the room with me at the moment. I cannot see you. I am blindfolded. And I have the camera pointed out right now. And I'm trying to adjust the mask right now. So my camera work may not be the greatest right now. So I apologize. What's wrong with sleep mask? Oh, there we go. So the sleep mask I have, it has different colors. It has red and blue light. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now. I can't see anything else that's in front of me at the moment. So all I got is this machine and these hexalights to communicate with. It's a little tight. I'm trying to light. There we go. I'm trying to hold on the camera even though I can't see it. I mean, I just want to talk to you and have a conversation with you. I mean, I heard so much about Beverly Street. And was this a battleground from the Alamo, or was this like an Indian reservation, or like a staging area where they camp out? Maybe you can give me some insight of what actually happened. Feel free to tap those lights. Feel free to mess with the sound machine. That way I can understand you. Unfortunately, I do not speak Spanish. No habla en español. Poquito en español. Lo siento. No estudio en español. So that's my Spanish. But if you speak English, I'm here for you. So anything you want to share with me, where you were you like a cowboy, a bandit, an Indian, a slave, or were you like an important soldier for the army? Any little details you can share with me, that'll be great. And I definitely want to hear your story. You know, I'm interested to have a conversation with you on this. Because I want to know more what happened to this area, because I feel like back in 2009 they built this area, they built this hotel over something, and I felt like some of the artifacts they had to recover or got destroyed. Well, the artifacts are somewhere, no one knows where they are. And I was wondering if some of those artifacts are yours or they belong to you. I'm not trying to come at you with disrespect or anything, but I definitely want to hear you out. I am interested in your story. If you have anything to share on camera, or I come at you with respect and grace. Even though I cannot see you at the moment. But I feel like you're here with me. Even though my energy is kind of a little thrown off, but I feel like you're here. You're just a little shy, which is I understand. I don't blame you. I'm just some stranger with a camera with a bunch of equipment, so I don't blame you on that. So nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna stay quiet for a few minutes so you can have time to share what you gotta say, or tell me some interesting facts you got about yourself. Who are you? Like, are you male, female? How old are you? Or what's your life been like? How about this sound? Would you prefer this sound better than the forest rain? This is ocean sound, okay? Maybe it's a little bit more calmer for you. Maybe you feel more comfortable with this sound. Tap on those hexagon lights if you like the sound. Tap the machine or the LED lights if you don't like the sound, or that you do like the sound and you want me to keep going for you. I'm just trying to be accommodating as possible for you. So I'm here to help you out anyway, or to make you feel comfortable around me. I don't want you to have to feel shy or feel guarded around me. I definitely want to talk to you. I definitely want to communicate with you for sure. Let's talk about a few things. I'm gonna get to the good of it. You're a Texan, right? I'm a Texan too. You like guns? Because I like guns. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I like some classic guns, like your classic revolvers and your long shot rifles from like back in the day. But I also like, I don't know if you've been around, but I also like modern weaponry too. They have some pretty amazing handguns. Like, I like the one with the 911 long special, 45 cal. That's one of my favorite guns, which I hope to own one day. In order to have a basic gun, I would probably get like a 9mm or like a 40 cal Smith & Wesson. Something basic. Or maybe like concealed carry, maybe carry a little Ruger. How about you? What's your preference and taste for weapons from back in your day? Do you like carrying revolvers around, or do you usually carry revolvers and a long rifle? What's your input on this? Tap on those lights if you like revolvers. Tap on the sound machine and the lights if you like carrying both revolvers or long shot rifles. Still got my mask on, guys. It's just kind of dark, that's all. Besides rifles, do you like to smoke? Do you like to drink? I like to smoke and drink. If I didn't have any like respiratory issues, I would smoke. But unfortunately, I got a respiratory problem. I can't smoke. How about you? What do you do? What did you do for fun from back in the day? Did you like used to gamble, or like have a shoot off, like shoot cans or something? I'm really not just shooting the. I'm just shooting the shit with you. I actually am interested in your origin story or what y'all used to do from way back in the day, from the 1900s or 1700s, whatever era y'all were in. Because right now it's 2023 here, so the city's over 300 years old. Tap on the lights if you want me to continue talking. Tap on the lights on the machine if you want me to stop talking for you to get a chance to speak or get a word in. Okay. I mean, did you use the horseback ride? Or did you ride in a station wagon? Or did you travel alone? Or did you like travel with friends? I'm kind of curious about that. Like, what was your occupation from the Wild West? Of those days where you travel around a lot? And the artifacts that they found here was like from like pottery to like bottles to like ammunition. Like, do you think maybe you can tell me more about it? Do you think maybe that was some of your stuff that was there? Don't be shy. Tell me. If you don't want to interact, that's fine. I'm still gonna talk, or at least try to carry the conversation, or I'll be quiet for a little bit so you have enough time to speak. Or if you want to share your input on how back in the day was run, or I'm hearing ringing in my ears. Is that you? Can you tap on one of those lights, if not one or both, showing me that's you or not? Let me know that you are here. That's causing the ringing in my ears. The mask is a little tight. I'm trying to get the smell in. Yes, I cannot see you guys. I'm literally pointing the camera blindly. I cannot see a spirit or anything. That is all. And now I cannot hear it below my eyes either. It's not like a bandana. The sleep mask actually covers my whole eyes so to make sure I don't let any kind of light come in. Great product. And do you agree? I wish I was knowing what's going on out there. I wish I could actually see what's going on. Or what's going on with those lights. Or that sound machine. I hear something, but maybe it was just the sound from outside. Or the sound itself coming from the machine. I'm not expecting you to communicate with me, which is completely understandable. I don't blame you. If you don't feel comfortable, that's fine. Um, I'll be more than happy to stop. But the only reason why I keep going because I actually want to encourage communication, and I want to show you that I come in peace, that I would not harm you or come at you with respect in your space. Okay? I'm offering my respect to whoever's in this room, whoever owns this space right here. I don't want no trouble. All I'm doing is seeking validation and communication from the other side, which I am here for you. Again, guys, the reason why I'm talking so low and monotone like this because the walls are kind of thin next door, so I can't be like super duper loud. Just kind of how it goes. Man, my hand's starting to hurt. I've been holding this camera for a while. So, I'm going to try a different sound in a few minutes. See if I can get anything from this sound. I'm just trying different things to see if I can evoke some kind of spiritual communication or spiritual presence here in this room. I'm just staying quiet for a few minutes. Give them a chance to speak or to mess with the lights or the machine. I feel a sharp pain in my ribs for some reason. Out of nowhere. It's probably because of the way I'm sitting. But it does hurt a lot. Tap on those lights if that's you touching my ribs. Because it really hurts. I played a different sound for you. Maybe we can try this sound. Maybe it's a little bit more soothing. This sound's a bit different from the usual. This type of sound is used to help with tinnitus and ringing in the ears. Maybe you can use some kind of sound of the sound therapy to try to convey words or speech, or reverse the sound, or manipulate the sound any way possible. Let me know if that's easier for you to communicate with this type of sound sample. Tap on those lights if you like that sound. Don't be shy to touch them. I need to know your honest input if you like this sound in particular, because I have more sounds to play with. Do you have any questions for me? Would you like to ask me something, or would you like to talk to me? Any questions about the sound that I'm using? Do you want to continue? Let me know. Did I just hear something? Hold on a second, guys. I think I just heard something. I heard it sound like a voice, or it sounded like the sound changed up a little bit. I heard a ding from the machine. I don't know if that's the spirit trying to communicate with me or not. I just heard a little bit of muffling. I could be hearing things because I'm wearing this mask over my face. Is it really difficult to communicate with these devices? Well, I have some more devices and instruments that we can try to use to communicate with each other in the next sequel. But right now, I want to test this out and see how you would interact with this. I know it's different, it's strange, but if you can give me some responses off that machine, or those colorful lights, if you can tap on them, I would greatly appreciate that. I mean, you be the best. I mean, you are the man, or you are the woman, or whoever you are. I would really appreciate that a lot. I'm just being silly right now. Pardon me, I'm kind of a... That's the thing about me. A lot of people know that I'm kind of a jokester. I'm a goofball. Like, I have a great sense of personality. How about you? Do you have a great sense of personality? Maybe you should share a few jokes with me. English or Spanish, don't matter what it is. Tell it to me. I like to hear it. Tell me a joke in English or Spanish. That big old bang loud noise is coming from upstairs on the 3rd floor. Just ignore it, guys. I'm still in the middle of a spirit box session. What is this here? What was that? Hold on, guys. I just heard a shh. It could be my imagination, but it could be coming from the AC unit, or I think it's coming from outside. I'm not entirely sure. I don't want to mark it off as paranormal, but I definitely will look into that footage a little bit later, for sure. Let's see if I can try to put the camera down It's just kind of hurting my... There you go. Sorry guys, it was kind of hurting my arms holding that camera. So now I can do longer investigations with this. This is awesome. I should have done this from the very beginning. Whoops. Whoopsie. My bad. I'm still an amateur when it comes to this. But that's what being a goofball is, really. Just having fun and going with the flow of things, man. If you would have actually got to know me, well, if I was in your era in the past, I'm sure I would have been entertaining as hell. Like, you would have to have me around. I'm such a charming and influential person, too. You know, I like to party, I like to play. Oh, by the way, my favorite pastime in the... Well, I need to get back into the sport again, but I play poker. Especially Texas Hold'em. Ooh, I tell you what. That is one of my favorite card games. Out of all times. How about you? You like poker, man? You like regular poker, Mexican Sweat, or do you like Texas Hold'em? What's your input? Tap on one of those lights if you like Texas Hold'em. Tap on two of those lights if you like regular poker. Ah, this mask is really tight on my head. I feel like I'm seeing spots. Okay, I just turned on the blue lights for the mask. I had it on red for a while, but I don't know I'm trying on blue to see if it's any different. You know? I mean, besides playing poker, what else did you do for fun? Did you like to sing? Did you like to dance? Did you like to read? Like, what do you do for fun, man? I know partying and getting drunk and silly is a thing, but I mean, what do you actually like to do, like, for fun? Like, that makes you smile. That made you the happiest. Because the thing that makes me the happiest is this. That I get the honor and the pleasure of speaking to someone from the other side. That's my passion as a paranormal investigator. Did I just hear that? Hold on a second, guys. Let me be quiet for a few more minutes. Let me be quiet for a minute. Or a few minutes. Because I was wondering if that was a spirit trying to talk. Let me not be rude and let me be quiet so this... whoever's in here can speak. Want to try a different sound? It doesn't seem like you're digging this sound too much. Want to maybe try on a different sound? Tap on those lights if you want to try on a different sound. If I don't get a response back from you, I'm going to go ahead and change the sound. But you got to let me know. I don't understand you because I cannot see. So you gotta tap on those lights. So when I do check later from the footage, it let me know that you were there with me the whole time. I'm just asking nicely, that's all. How about this sound? I still got my mask on. Showing you guys. Okay. What do you think of this sound? Do you think you can work better with this sound? This is more like a low monotone sound. Let me know if that works for you. I mean, going back to the conversation, like, you sing, you dance, do you play the instruments? I mean, what do you like to do as a hobby? I'm sure you got a few things you like to do. Something you haven't done before, or something that you have already done before. Like, what did you do when you were a kid? Did you, like, what was that? Hold on a second, I just heard a noise. We'll continue. Anyway, were you like a good kid, Dad? Or were you like a bad kid? Were you like always playing hooky and getting in trouble and stuff? I mean, I didn't have exactly much of a childhood, but I just wanted to hear it from you, maybe. Maybe you can totally relate to this, you know? Maybe, like, you know, you had a great childhood, or maybe your childhood wasn't as great. You don't have to, I mean, you don't have to tell me everything about your life. I mean, if you want to share that, that's completely up to you. But I'm just trying to invoke communication with you. Maybe you want to, like, talk or, like, hang out or shoot the stuff with me, you know? I'm actually interested, you know? And I want to take the time. I mean, I may not see you, but I can feel that you are here with me because my mask is about to go out.